Come on. How'd that feel?
I can see myself.
Okay. Bye. Look, for Father's Day they washed my car and vacuumed it and all the such and so on. Now I need to clean my bike. 79 degrees. Feels nice. I think it's going to be 94. Got a pretty busy day with meetings and a board meeting tonight. Tomorrow this road will be closed. We'll probably swing by anyways just to see how it's going, although I don't know we'll be able to see much. They probably won't let us get very close, but oh yeah, they got the cement trucks already pouring it. Wow. See, we have a Challenger ahead. You never know if these are like the V6, the V8, the Hemi, the whatchamacallit, the Hellcat, the Red Eye, there's all kinds of them. He's definitely hauling a bit. What's his plate mean? ANGDTH. DTH, is that death? I don't know, but he's probably turning and going to DMAC, I'm guessing. No, he's staying back there. You don't want to play. Angel death? I don't know. Okay, he's in the turning lane to the right of me. Not that we can really do much right now.
NW door was just triggered.
94 degrees and this bike is in the sun. Why? Because today is the longest day of the year. Or tomorrow is. Today or tomorrow. So, you know, just got a deal. I literally was just inside sitting in front of an air conditioner duct trying to cool down. Okay. Oh, that wind does not feel very cool. I was hoping it would. So I'm trying to think which way I want to go. I probably should go the faster way because I don't want to get there right on time. Just played basketball for an hour. My muscles are a little weak, especially those legs. And all I've had to eat is some leftover B-dubs. This is all day. Leftover B-dubs at lunch. And then I just had a few peanuts and a little piece of chocolate. Man, I really thought this was going to be a nice cool off ride, but it is not working. I'm just getting hotter. Good thing I drank some water before I left. Totally missed a gear. And now this beautiful giant road changes to 35 miles per hour. Really a waste of a beautiful big road. I mean, it's considered residential because there's like houses back over there, but and I guess people are running over there. And why? Why must I get the red light in the heat? Ah. Oh, there's a motorcycle. He has blue fog lights. I don't think that's legal. He also didn't stop for the red light, bro. Shouldn't run the red light. You shouldn't run the red light. I think I have to turn here. I think this is it. Let's ride through here. Shall I? Let's just ride through here for some pretty houses. Look at these houses. 3-car garage. They're probably like double deep. Is this a dead end? I thought it looped around. No, it loops. Are they double deep? Not really. Just, I mean, they're decent, but... See, my house deserves a 3-car garage. I mean, I have enough people and stuff that I need 3-car. They should have like 5-car. Like, why do they only have 3-car garages? I'd have a 5-car garage. You got kids, you got motorcycle, you got boat, you got a 10-car garage. Come on, Brian York. Why don't you build these things with some garages? May have spun the tire a little bit back there. And again. It is here, right? The meeting, 6:30. Had to make sure, you know, I was at the right house at the right time on the right day.
10 minutes early.
Tell your neighbors I'm sorry. Okay, well that was not too bad, not too long. 3-hour board meeting. It was a little dark out. Hopefully she's going the same way I am and I can just kind of stay behind her for a little bit. We are kind of out in the country. Technically we are in the country because we are not in the city limits. Oh, she is not going right. So I get to ride on basically the windiest route across town with a dark visor. You know what? My GoPro is not set on the right setting either. So I'm going to pull over and fix that here in a minute. I got to change the ISO. Didn't realize that was a go-kart. Golf cart. This is where people usually think you're broke down. I'm not. So I'll be right back. Oh, that's wow. Wow, that is so much better. Look at that. Can you tell the difference? It looked a lot better on the screen. It's actually pretty nice out. It's 84. All right, flashers off. First gear. Kickstand still down. Forgot about that. Well, good thing there's that nice little safety there. You're probably seeing better than I am right now with this visor on. I really, really want the automatic adjusting one. You know, like a tinted one, kind of like, you know, those glasses that tint. I'd like to have some of that. Well, I remember those, a couple $100. Police officer.
Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police.
Wasn't too bad. It's I mean, it's lit up pretty well.